Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is, the diameter of three circles are in the ratio of 3:5:6. If the sum of the circumferences is 308 centimeter, find the difference between the areas of the largest and smaller circles. Now what is given? The ratio between the diameters are given of the three circle. That is 3:5:6. Now here the diameters are in the ratio, they are not the actual diameters, but when we multiply the terms of the ratio with a constant, we get the real diameters. So diameter 1 can be written as 3x, 3 multiplied by with a constant. Same way diameter 2 has to be multiplied with the same constant to get the real diameter. Same way diameter 3 will become 6x. Now what is given condition? The circumference of their sum of their circumference is 308 centimeter. That means the circumference is 2 pi r, that is also called pi d because 2r is d. So the sum of the circumference, that is pi d1 plus pi d2 plus pi d3 is 308. So we will use this to solve to get the value of x. So what we can take pi as common, d1 plus d2 plus d3, this is equal to 308. Now pi value is taken as 22/7. Fine. So now 22/7, d1 is 3x, that is the actual diameter. 5x plus 6x is equal to 308. 22/7 into 3x plus 5x plus 6x will become your 11x, 14x. 5x plus 6x, 11x plus 3x, that is 14x, is 308. 7 2s are 14. So x will become 308 divided by 22 into 2, that is 44, will go at the bottom, right? So this can go at the bottom. And now we will cut these two numbers which say start with 2. This will become 22, this will become 1 5 4, right? Now this will become 2 cut by 11, 1 and 14, 2 and 7. So what is the value of x? We got the value of x as 7. Now we have to find the difference between the areas of largest and smallest circle. So which will be the largest circle? Obviously the circle whose diameter is of the greatest ratio, that is 6. So largest, you can write here, diameter will become 6 into 7, that is 42 centimeter, and smallest diameter will become 3 into x, that is the smallest. 3 7s are 21 centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the difference between their areas, right? So what is the largest radius? Because for area we need the large radius. So largest radius will become 21 and smallest radius will become half of diameter, that is 21 ka half, that is 10.5. Now we will put the formula pi r square, r1 square minus pi r2 square. We have to find this. So pi will be taken as common, r1 square minus r2 square. Find pi. Instead of r1 we can write here 21 ka square because bigger one, minus 10.5 ka square. Fine. So this will become your pi You can even use the formula of a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b, right? Or you can just, 21 square is 441 minus 10.5 ka is 110.25 square, right? So pi 441 minus 110.25 will become 330.75. Now this is pi is 22 by 7 into 330.75. Fine. So when you cut and divide and all, what you will get is 1039.5 centimeter square. That is the difference between the area of smaller circle and the largest circle. Fine. So you can cut these 330.75 by 7, or just multiply the 2 and then divide it by 7. What you will get is 1039.5.